Hi guys, my name is Yuri and today we're going to talk about AI and we're going to talk about trends in AI actually going forward. Talking about web development as a web development instructor. I'm just going to be talking really about some of these changes in the web development field as we're looking into 2025. So I've actually written some of them down here. We've got AI powered solutions, no code and low code technologies, WebAssembly, progressive web applications, machine learning in the browser, test automation in DevOps, voice user interfaces, blockchain-based applications. We've got 3D design, augmented reality, and AR integration. Actually, I'm just going to talk about AI-powered solutions and no-code and low-code technologies, because basically, in 5 years from now, we're going to have, if we have like 100,000 engineers today, then we're going to have 50,000, engineers, 50,000 web developers, and 50,000 engineers. Because when we want to build a website, we're just going to go to AI and we're just going to say, "Hey, AI, just build us a website." It's like you don't really have to, ask me too many questions. I don't have to put in too many details. I'm just going to say, build me a website and, make it a retro Atari website. I just want you to change the color from, green to blue or something like that. And it's just going to be all really relatively straightforward. We're not going to have to understand JavaScript. You're not going to have to know what WebAssembly is. You're not going to have to understand Python or PHP or any of these kind of programming heavy, hard to learn programming languages. And that really changes the type of people that are going to be able to build websites. We're going to be talking about design people, we're going to be talking about creative people, and engineers are going to go on, they're going to actually start working on completely different jobs. They're going to start doing different things. They're using their engineering technology skill sets, to design, to get AI to, start to do other sorts of things. This is kind of going a little actually wacko here. All right, so basically, as we're moving into 2025, now we're starting to talk about getting AI to, do the job for us. Like Facebook's already talking about having an AI engineer in the office that makes decisions, the same type of decisions that web developers and other engineers would actually make. And those are subjective, contextualized decisions. It's got to be able to optimize for something. Maybe it's optimizing for design, it could be optimizing for speed, it could be optimizing for a certain type of framework or a certain type of programming style, like object-oriented or functional programming or something. But basically, it's going to have to optimize for something. And so when it comes to getting AI to do DevOps, test deployment, or deployment automation pipeline decision making, really we're starting to talk about how AI is trained. And so a big part of web development going forward is going to be able to tinker with what's under the hood in terms of the machine learning model and make changes on the machine learning side in terms of how the AI is built and how you can adapt the AI to the job that you want to do, or just working with different types of AI selection, and then learning how to use a particular AI. Really, GitHub Copilot or Claude or Facebook Llama, going to have to make some decisions about what kind of AI we're going to use. And so as a web development instructor, I have to look forward down the road and I have to start thinking about, okay, well now really we're talking about teaching people design, and we're starting to talk about teaching basically user experience, and starting to talk about teaching actually AI itself. And so it changes everything from a web development instructor's perspective, but you're still going to have engineers to go under the hood and figure out whether AI is doing the right thing or not. So it's going to be a matter of selecting the right courses, and there's going to be more complex courses, simpler courses, and that's kind of it. That's the exciting trend moving forward in 2025. It's AI, and it's AI integration with how to program software. Thanks so much for watching. Looking forward to seeing you guys next time.